Here's a great deal on a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.